A quadratic trinomial. A trinomial has three terms. And it's going to come in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a represents the number that's attached to x squared, b represents the number that's attached to the x term, and c represents the constant that's alone. Now, sometimes quadratic trinomials can be factored, and they can actually factor into two binomials that, when multiplied together, would make the original trinomial. In this case, the binomials would be x plus 1 times x plus 1. So the one on the left is a binomial because it's got two terms. And this one's a binomial as well, of course. All right, so can I prove to you that x plus 1 times itself is equivalent to 1x squared plus 2x plus 1? In order to prove it, what we need is a technique called FOIL. It's actually an acronym where the letters stand for firsts, outers, inners, lasts. Okay, so how do we do that? What we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the binomials. And firsts means to multiply the first term of one binomial times the first term of the other binomial. That's the F in FOIL. Now, let's do that over here on the side. We need to multiply x times x, which makes x squared. Now we have to multiply the outers. That's x times 1. That makes x. Now we'll multiply the inners. One times x. Finally, the lasts. 1 times 1. Those are the results that I get. And all we need to do now is just put a plus between all the results that we had found. And it's a sort of distribution, but it's a little more complicated than just sending, one number inside parentheses. So let's combine. We've got x squared plus x plus x plus 1. That's going to make x squared plus 2x plus 1. And it turns out that it's true. Those two things are equivalent.